League never starts. Come on, Brighton, they flog them. See people who won't come collect league title for we hand.
Now wow. All these small stubborn Premier League teams safe. We no go gree person collect 3 points for their head in peace. Even to collect 1 point safe, they no go gree. Now we dey go face Tottenham on Monday. Chai! Hurricane go on use person shine now. Which tactics I go use now? Okay, I know it now. Red Devils!
Hey!
When I get mouth to the answer Devils, when common Brighton shame us last week. Skippo!
So?
Forget that PK, now rubbish you play.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. See Tottenham they come Old Trafford on Monday. They think say as Brighton put Sansan for we carry, they go quickly collect point on top our head. But to go chook fuck enter their eye, they show them say we be Red Devils. Lukaku! Enter inside. Marry their keeper.
Sure, sir.
The rest, back boss. Bali.
Huh?
If Hurricane move, come out a leg.
Sure, sir.
But coach, we no go play midfield.
Come shut up there. Midfield where you play for Brighton. What you do?
But coach,
Shut up there.
Spurs,
Hey!
we get 3 match winning tactics we go use for Man U on Monday. That is number 1. Anywhere you dey for pitch with the ball, locate Hurricane. That is number 2. Hustle PK, give Hurricane. That is number 3. Hurricane. Any questions?
No, sir.
Oya, mo go show them ball. Any devil we see for pitch today, we say Holy Ghost.
Fire!